Unong ay kitian ke sorkar jelau ba poleng do ulapan pau ya kejeng sengut tenat bagi BSF kilakem ya kilaingut kisipai jongki ki badan keti hagaban syem kejeng em jong ba roning nong kenri. Ulong ba kesen jam ke banengkong kedai kejeng kem yaki bat ke sorkar kan sasyem kia hagaban yakren bat kibor ke BSF ban siu ke bailut kesan syagi bahayang bahasem jong ba roning ubala syasiat hak kisipai BSF. Uba pol ulong bagi BSF kila kem bat sedang ru ikejeng toket kumta ke sorkar kan sekren sigi wei pat kisen jam bari ban syem ne ban penshitom kat kumkaan. Uba pol lengdo ulapan pau ikejeng benyau bagi BSF ki pahara ke jaka pat ba ki bajengai ba nak thaiñ khappud bat kari Bangladesh. Bat ulong baka kamram jong sipai BSF kadai ban yang pahara ke thaiñ khappud ban tek lakam ki kam bean naduk kejeng wandrung bean kejeng khayi bean. Kumta ke sorkar jela kan pynbor bagi BSF bagi dai ban pahara bed tang haki thaiñ khappud.
Appreciation ke jong ni ya ka move jong ka BSF ban kem ni ki personal jong ki balong involved ha ka jing penyam jing set up ya nuba running nong kenri na jalan teng ha ka nri tarik pat ba ni gini ai banru ba the law of the land should prevail ba kejeng penshitom yaki kan long baik on the basis jong ka kam ka bakile ka balong ka baki overstep ya ka brief ke jongki pat syem ya ka jingem jong ni rambak. There has been violation of SOPs. And the other more important aspect of the case is that why were they in a civilian area when they were supposed to be posted at the international border? So that particular aspect of the case, as a long-term measure, has to be taken into account because their primary duty is to guard the international border against various crimes, against illegal infiltration, smuggling. Those are the issues. Now, we will push that they should be moved to the international border to do what they are in the first place supposed to do. Ke kamram hi ke jongi kalong ba ngin pentikna ba ki BSF ki perform ya ka kamram ke jongki bat nalor kata ke donru ka proposal yang ini bangin create show ki battalion jongka state police dia kani kan penyerap dan enhance ya ka policing ke jongi haki ni kita hanya marwa ki beliau badan pentah hukum kini kam khayi mat ka egalentia ke jongi kadai shwa ka badan dan hapo jongka supervision jongka state police shwa bakin pasal international border.